A tragic suicide shook Ujjain district, the chief minister's hometown. Heavy storms, rain and hailstorms badly damaged crop across farms. 30-year-old farmer Pankaj Malvi faced huge stress from total crop loss. On Wednesday morning, locals found his body hanging in his own field. Just before death, he uploaded a heartbreaking video showing destroyed crops and shared a sad song on social media. Pankaj was the only breadwinner for his family, leaving them in deep shock. Police quickly reached the spot, took custody of the body, and launched a full investigation. This sad event spotlights ongoing farmers' distress in Madhya Pradesh amid bad weather. Authorities urge support for affected families. A state-level education quality teachers conference was held in Bhopal on Wednesday. The event was organized to improve education and honor teachers. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav attended the program and honored his former teacher Kokila Singh. As she came on stage, the Chief Minister walked towards her and touched her feet to seek blessings. The moment received loud applause. School Education Minister Uday Pratap Singh was also present. 5 teachers were honored during the event. The conference was organized as Subhash Excellence School by the Madhya Pradesh Teacher Association. Spiritual leader Pandit Dhirendra Krishna Shastri spoke at a religious event in Mumbai's Bageshwar Sanatan Mutt. This came during hot debates on new UGC education rules across India. He called for unity, saying people must not split by caste or group. Shastri shouted the slogan One India to rally support. He pushed for equal opportunities for everyone in society. Education, he said, should bring people together, not create divisions. Protests and talks continue nationwide over UGC's fresh guideline on higher studies. His message aims to calm tension and promote harmony. Many followers praised his word online. Indoor's drinking water crisis grows deadlier. Death count from contaminated water now at 30. Latest victim 62-year-old Lakshmi Rajak from Bhagirathpura, who died during hospital treatment. Dozens in the area got sick after using polluted supply. 6 patients remain admitted fighting for recovery. Angry locals held protests demanding quick fixes and accountability. High Court stepped in, seriously ordering an independent probe. It labeled this a major public health emergency. Court directed officials to guarantee safe clean water everywhere. Teams are testing all sources and checking safety steps. Residents urged to boil water till safe. Tension in Satna district over BJP Mandal President Pulkit Tandon. He is accused of brutally beating a young woman and her mother late Tuesday night. Incident in Nagore police station limits. Reports say it started with a talk at Tandon's shop go-down. He allegedly abused them, chased on the street, then attacked. Both victims suffered serious injuries and rushed to the hospital. Police registered a case under relevant laws, began detailed probe. No arrest yet. The case stirred political heat between parties and public anger. Local demand strict action and justice for women. Area remains on edge. A shocking crime was reported from Katni district's Badwara police station area. A 50-year-old woman was set on fire following a land dispute. The accused poured petrol on her face and set her ablaze on Tuesday night in Majgawa Chagra village. The woman suffered severe burn injuries and was rushed to the district hospital. Her condition remains critical. After the incident, the accused fled the scene. Police teams have been formed to search for him. The incident has caused fear and outrage among local residents. Weather condition change across Madhya Pradesh on Wednesday. Many districts saw rain, strong winds and hailstorms. Indore, Ujjain, Bhopal and nearby areas received light to moderate rain. In some places, hail damaged the standing crop, causing trouble for farmers. The weather department said a western disturbance is active over the state. Due to this, cloudy skies and rain may continue for the next 24 hours. Day temperatures drop slightly, giving relief from the heat, but night remain cool. Authorities have advised people to stay alert, especially during the storms, and farmers to protect crop where possible.